Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, I'll talk about 4 important rules regarding college upgradation in All India Counselling conducted by Medical Counselling Committee. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. Install MBBSCouncil Android App. It contains everything you need to know to predict and rank medical colleges. Before talking about the medical college upgradation rules and NEET counselling, we need to first understand the counselling process. After round 1 allotment by MCC, candidates who are allotted seat will be requested to join the allotted medical college within 1 week. Let's say the allotted college for candidate is College 1. He or she needs to physically report at the College 1 to complete the joining formalities. First, they need to pay the tuition fees and other fees. You cannot ask the college to adjust the security deposit amount you paid to MCC counselling. Security deposit will be returned by MCC after the counselling gets over. After payment of fees and handling over original documents, you need to opt for upgradation if you are interested to participate in second round. College authorities will update MCC so that you will be allowed to participate in round 2 choice filling. When you join the college, after handing over the originals, you need to request for bona fide certificate stating that the original documents are with the college. You can use this bona fide certificate to participate in state counselling if need arises. You need to be careful while filling choices when you opt for upgradation. Make sure that you fill choices which is 100% better than the earlier allotted college. After the round 2 allotment, if you are allotted college, say College 2, you need to go to the earlier allotted College 1 to get the original documents and relieving letter. With this, you need to report to the newly allotted college and complete the joining formalities by paying the tuition fees. Now we will see the 4 important rules regarding MCC counselling upgradation. Upgradation is allowed only during the round 1 counselling. After round 2 allotment, if you join the allotted college, you become ineligible to opt for upgradation in mop-up round and stray round counselling. Next rule to remember is the reallocation fees. When you ask for fees refund from earlier allotted college, they will deduct reallocation charges which may range between ₹1,000 and ₹75,000 depending on the college. After deducting these charges, you will get the remaining fees amount after 1 week or max up to 30 days. This reimbursement days varies from college to college. So it is advisable to arrange money to pay the tuition fees from the hand rather than waiting for the first allotted college to reimburse. Another most important upgradation rule is, if the seat is allotted in second round, you cannot claim the round 1 allotted college anymore, as the same will be allotted to some other candidate. So make sure that you are 100% sure about the round 2 choices. This brings us to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you need expert guidance, contact Paid Admission Helpline 044 4631 330. See you in the next video.